In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a page on Squarespace. Starting with Squarespace for the first time or making changes to your existing site can seem daunting, but don't worry, it's actually quite straightforward once you know what steps to take. Today we'll walk through the process together and I'll guide you each step of the way. First, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. It's the gateway to all the tools and options you'll need to make your site exactly how you want it. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. To log in, look for the login button. Squarespace has made it super simple to access your account, especially if you use Google services. Instead of remembering another password, you can just click on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to use for Squarespace. Easy, right? Now that you're logged in, it's time to head to your website. If you have multiple websites, select the one you're planning to edit. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial to make sure you're editing the right website, especially if you're managing more than one. Once you've selected your website, the next step is to dive into the Pages section. This is where all the magic happens. Pages is essentially the control room for your website's content. Here you'll see a list of all the pages your website currently has. Whether it's a blog page, a contact page, or your home page, this is where you'll find it. Now find the page you wish to edit and click on it. This will open up the options for that specific page. Look for the edit button, which is your key to start making changes. This will launch the editor where you can add, remove, or alter the content of your page. Whether you want to change text, adjust images, or add new sections, this is where you can let your creativity flow. Remember, editing your site on Squarespace is all about experimenting and seeing what works best for you and your visitors. Don't be afraid to try out different layouts or content arrangements. Squarespace is designed to be intuitive, so go ahead and explore all the possibilities. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit a page on Squarespace. It's a simple process that opens up a world of possibilities for your site. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to creating a website that truly reflects your style and meets the needs of your audience. Remember, every change you make is a step towards perfecting your online presence, so take advantage of Squarespace's user-friendly platform to experiment and enhance your site. Happy editing!